Hello everyone from Ushaika.
We've come about 2 hours from Riyadh to show you an ancient mud brick village. It's actually been restored and refurbished by the people who live here, along with a little bit of help from the government, but they were actually the impetus to restoring it. And I think it's going to give us a great picture of what life was traditionally like here in Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, it's going to be interesting to have a walk around, isn't it?
Yeah, I can't wait.
It's only about 40 degrees, guys, and don't we look smashing in our abayas?
Aren't they awesome?
They are. All right.
So this village was a stopping point for Kuwaitis and Iraqis who were coming to Saudi Arabia to head to Mecca and Medina to perform their Hajj. There are places in Riyadh where they've redone the mud brick buildings as well, but it's all very polished. What I love about here is you can see the texture, you can see the cracks in the mud, you can see the straw that they've mixed with it. So it really feels like you've come back in time whenever you come here. You get a real sense for the way it was. It's kind of the Saudi Arabia that you dreamed about from 100 years ago.
It's the Alibaba.
It is, it's that era.
And it's definitely got huge Arabian night vibes here. So many alleyways and little paths. Aren't they, Steph?
Yeah, and they've divided it into different neighborhoods. So as you wander around, you kind of move from one neighborhood to the next.
Incredible to think people lived in here.
Yeah, exactly.
And it's actually quite cool.
It's not nearly as hot as it is out, like in the square area.
No.
Interesting. Ushager actually means a little blonde, and that's because of the yellow color whenever you look down from the nearby mountain onto it.
And the site here was originally developed in the 6th century, about 1600 years ago. The style with the white trim reminds me of many buildings in Sana'a in Yemen.
Saudi Arabia's tourist industry is just opening up. So you can come to amazing villages like this and basically have them all to yourself. You can wander around, you can do photo shoots. Unlike places like, I don't know, Ho Chi Minh in Vietnam, where there are people everywhere, you don't have to worry about anybody getting in your shot. It's amazing. What a great time to come to Saudi Arabia.
Well, Steph, that was a fantastic little exploration here of Ushaika, wasn't it?
It's amazing. And what else is amazing is that there is no entrance fee to get into this village. So I don't know if in the future they'll have one, but right now you can come in, you can explore. There are a couple of museums that I heard have small entrance fees, but you can basically explore the whole village outside of those for free.
Yeah.
And I think that that is very unusual in this day and age, that you can come to such an amazing place and explore it for free.
That's right. It was incredible to walk around and get all our shots without any tourists or groups in.
Yeah, nobody else here. Only in the beginning we saw a couple of people. They left quite quickly after we got here. We've had it all to ourselves. Amazing.
We have. So if you're in the Riyadh vicinity, we recommend you come out a couple of hours out of town and visit Usheka.
It's an amazing day trip and quite an easy drive. There's no off-roading or anything like that. Just a bit long on the straight, kind of
Highway.
boring highway. But other than that, very easy drive.
That's right. Well, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one from Saudi Arabia.
We're Girls on the Loose.
Bye for now.
Catch you next time.